Alrighty, YouTube, I'm back again. This is VW Matthew Willis here. I'm putting on those tips that come off the tip down there. Right here's braces. Tack welding them on. I'm gonna finish welding everything up on the forks for this forklift build. That way I'll pick up this big old 4-inch. Sorry about tilting everything everywhere. That way it'll fit right in there snugly. We don't want it tilting around and all. Gonna equally space it. You can see right there. Got some space there. There's already a roller on it. I just gotta put a roller on the back here, or just let it slide on it, because it's gonna pick it straight up from there. You know what I mean? And I'll update you in a minute or two. Get her done. That's the cross base. This is gotta be right there, so it'll be going straight up. Marked it a little bit. You can see that mark there. I can mark it. Have to mark it right there. That would be spaced evenly, or close to dang enough for this scrap forklift build. Just scrap. So I hope y'all enjoy the video. I'm gonna keep on welding and get back with you in a minute. Here we go. It's all pretty much welded up now, as much as I want it to be on the forks. There we go. It's all welded up. I'm going to show you the welds. There it is. And I gotta adjust this right here. I gotta drill a hole in that. That's gonna have the hook on it. Pull straight up. Got the lines right here drawn. That'll be even spacing with the wheel down here. With that little C channel there. Good to go. Welded up good enough. It'll hold a 200-pound daggum tar. Probably even more. Got all them good welds on there. Not an expert, y'all. Not gonna be. Alrighty, I had that long piece of scrap metal. I cut it down. It's really bowed, so I'm gonna have to even it out. It is. Sorry. Shaking this thing around. You're gonna hate me for this. Sorry. But I'm gonna measure it for you. I got 2 pieces of metal. 43 1/4. And 43 and 43 1/2. Almost equal, almost. That might be where it's stuck at up there at the top. Yeah, it's almost even. Almost even. It ain't gonna be perfect, but it'll lift the tire, which I like to care about. Done cut them in half. There we go. Got this brace put on the back so it can wobble around. I'm probably gonna put a wheel coming off from here so it'll roll on the back. Got the roller on the front. May put another roller right here. Hadn't decided yet. Got everything welded up. That's gonna be the cross brace at the back. I got some angle iron sitting around here somewhere. Make another cross brace for the battery. This is gonna be crossed here. Oh yeah, got that going on there. Fixing to take these things, probably cut the center out. Don't want it too wide. Just made it. Okay, probably cut off those ends down there. Need a couple cross braces to hold the battery on. Gotta hold that thing up. It's gonna be on here, welded there. But that's what I got done. Right there, I gotta cut it to size. I'll put these come out his legs. Just like that. Legs are gonna come out a little bit. Alrighty. It's a little bit wider than that. About there. That should look pretty dang good like that. And a battery box right in here. Got two of those. If I can get one or two, that'll be awesome. Put the wheels on it. Scrap metal working. Yeah. Go ahead and cut that in two. I needed at least this wide. Definitely. Well, there we go. Got my toolbox, new toolbox, old tools, old snap-on toolbox. Been using an old Craftsman welder. There's my bug, look, there's my bug. Having fun. I'll check back in just a minute. Alrighty, back again, trying to line everything up. Starting to look like a little push forklift. At 32 inches on the cross right there. This is all scrap wood, so it's not perfect. So I'm gonna have to line everything up, then weld it in there. Put a little battery box right back here. So it'll counterweight the front of it. Trying to think things through, just to throw it together. Got 38-inch tires, that's 38 inches tall. I'll have to make something to go on top. My dog is saying hi. There's Adina. Hi, doggy. She's old. Yeah, she's old. She's 16 years old. I gotta cut one more piece. Down here, I found a piece laying in the yard. I'll cut it 32 inches. Put it spaced right there. Have good weight at the back. And that should do it. I'll update you in just a second. Alrighty. Whew. Put these on. Got a bunch of welding splatter up in there. It'll work what I need it to do. There's the wheel there. Gonna put 2 swivel and locks on the rear. This is the base, 32 inches. And then you got that length right there, I forgot. And then you got that right there. This is all scrap stuff except for the wheels and different junk like that. Welding this up, it ain't gonna look pretty, but it'll work. I gotta reload the welding wire. I run out of welding wire, so I gotta reload it. And using that cheap stuff, 30, working pretty good. There's my setting. This wire's all screwed up, so you know, getting our dead a little at a time. Almost done with the base. Then flip it over and attach that pole to it. I'll make sure it's off the ground a little bit. Put it on there right in the center. Make sure it's straight up and down. And weld it on. Then I'm gonna make a battery box on the other side, and then I'll probably call it a day. Let's see what happens. I might call it a day after I put the wheels on. Don't know yet. Alrighty. Back again. Got this. Got the bolts put in there. Drilled it out for hanging it. Got the wheels welded on. Now I'm gonna try to get it straight. It is level, so this is gonna be fun. I'm gonna put it on this level surface here. Alrighty then. I got this done as much as I can today. It's not together. I'm trying to line it up properly. It is a rolling chassis though. It'll work. It'll lift something when I get done with it, but it's gonna be up here. Gonna have supports on it. On this spot here, gonna have your battery holder down there. Winch somewhere around here to lift it up, somewhere in this area. Better to get the job done. Won't be able to use it tomorrow, but it'll get the job done. Trying to start welding down there. Get that shaft on. Be good to go. It'll be great. Cool. Well, that's the end of round 2 on this video. Making a forklift slash tire lift from a shop at work. And thank y'all very much. Please like and subscribe. VW Matthew. Thank y'all very much.